This is block soil. This is the winter.
So this farmyard manure is mixed using bullets?
They spread it actually.
Just before the sowing, they do this and
Yeah,
then
yeah,
they continue
yeah.
sowing. Okay.
Sai Jonna is the white sorghum. This is the dew crop. This is a true crop also. Rosella, Avarai, Cowpea. No, white sorghum is the east-west. Only the cross lines. North-south is the Rakashi. This is their east-west. Devata. Devata is a Ganga. True crops are all winter crops are Pandavas. They are all Kauravas. Because these very true crops, they want to go for this east-west is the sorghum main crop. And crisscross lines are your Rosella and your Cowpea and your Avarai. Avarai is your Dolichos.
Those things you wrote are not south.
Rosella is the cross. South north they do it. Malakunna. 6 సార్లు ఎన్ని
ఒక్క గొర్రు రెండు గొర్రు పెట్టి
రెండు గొర్రెలు జొన్నలు అయిపోయిన తర్వాత
కుసుమ సాలే ఇక బందకే
is a trap crop also, oil seed at the same time. They put it on the boundary because the yellow flowers is a good trap crop. The insects will be attracted, they will be host them there itself. They never allow them to go inside.
Just like marigold.
Yeah. The gurru is the plank will be there with the 6 teeth. Lentil. Lentil is the pulse. Oil seed, cereal and pulse. 3 combination. This is a thorny wheat. One gurru. Gurru is 3 or 4 some of them.
Oh, they don't put the safflower in between again?
No. And this is your batani, the green peas. The original indigenous green peas. What you are buying in the market is hybrid. Size and the color. Green doesn't mean green. This is the green.
ఒక్కసారి బటగాడే
ఒకటే సాలా ఇదేంటి గొర్రెలో
గొర్రు
This is a Lathyrus. How many people, Bengal people are here? Anybody? Ask Lathyrus, they are experts. They eat it every day in their food and they give the animal to the same feed and the soil is a good fertilizer. The leguminous. Before your chickpea flour, they were eating this. The government banned because of the gutter and your transils are getting best because of Lathyrus more. And they're banned, not now, it's almost all 72 or 78 they stopped. The banned. Because of the introduced not this dal, what you are getting in the red dal, Masoor dal. To introduce that hybrid variety, that is what you are getting in the market. They banned this.
They banned this.
They banned, yeah. No, even your mustard are banned in all your UP and Bihar and everything. Do you know that? No? They should not eat this.
What should they eat?
The mustard oil, they stopped. This is your Lathyrus. 2 lines of your the green pea. And 1 line is the Lathyrus. Yeah. Kabuli chana.
$1 and this they call it as.
The red one.
The red one, the
The
small
coat is red one, not white. There is a local. Again in that there is a big and small is there again. Yeah, 3 lines. Linseed, your flax seed, very good oil. Don't eat som. खाना खाने के बाद अच्छा पान गिन खाने की जरूरत नहीं. You eat every day this your anti cholesterol. Very nice.
అట్లా
అటుకేం కాదు
సాలా ఒక ఎకర అయిపోయి
For ajwan. Okay. Ajwan इधर ये portion में. This is ajwan. On the border they are all very good allelopathy effect. There's a strong smell that it will come but it will slowly, it will not that faster friendship. Ajwan akkada coriander. Mustard.
ఆగా అట్లా
ఎవ్రీవేర్
Yeah. That keep yellow flowers. The first aphids they attack to eat the mustard. You might have noticed. The yellow flower is there, the aphids will come. The first aphids to eat that your prey mantis. Near prey mantis, your lizard will be around that. For lizard, the eagle will go around and around. Observe this only 25 minutes process. You stay at one place, you observe for 25 minutes, you spend this whole cycle, you will find.
Any kind of irrigation, sir, initially?
This, no, if you irrigate, all will they die. That's why you call them in true crops. No irrigation. Dew crops. Dew crops are true crops. Red soil, they need rain. If you have a red soils, they need no irrigation, nothing, only rain fed. Sunflower, they planted on the boundary. The diversity makes them to 2 ways. One is the diversity on the pest control, at the same time cross pollination and open pollination. And whatever the seeds they have been sown here, looking for the food diversity and the soil diversity, the pest, particularly the yellow flowers, what she is talking about, the flowers, the yellow flowers attracted insects, they will eat the leaves. When it's tender, you can eat the mustard leaf also, very good curry, vegetable, greens. You can cook them and you eat them. Most of the insects, they like the leguminous crop and pods and leaves. So the yellow flowers are your cucurbit. Mustard. Mustard is a very fast growing. First one to come up and fast growing, and it is taller than all these crops first of all. So they will first attack, and then your cucurbit will take care of, and your sunflower will take care of. These are four crops have a yellow flowers for these crops, and that is how they mixed and they give it. The rice corn.
Oh, this is like marmara.
Yeah.
They throw marmara.
Puffed rice.
Then the cranes come, eat up the bugs, come for the marmara, thinking it's bugs, and then they will eat up the bugs.
Also. So what happens to the crop which is attacked by pests? So do you get anything from that, or that's just sacrifice?
Check them, and if the diversity, if you lose 3-4 crops due to various reasons, I think rest of the crops you will get. It's a maximum they lose 2-3 crops. I think whatever the crops left over, you will get. Definitely you will get the very hardy. They are all very hardy, like your safflower, because it's thorns. No pest will go nearby, but only the aphids will be formed and not seed get damaged. So your sorghum is sure, and your pigeon pea will be there. And these lentil doesn't have any pest. Lentil and linseed doesn't have any pest.
Okay.
That's the advantage.
Wow.
Only pea may eat little bit, but it's very faster you will get the peas, green peas also. And there's a fungus will come for only your coriander. Moisture stress and excess moisture also.
Okay.
It's a very balanced moisture they do come. Otherwise fungus will form immediately. And flower formation and pod formation won't be there. Only vegetative growth will be there.
Coriander is eaten by the sparrows.
Sparrows, they'll come, they'll eat by most of the sorghum, they like it.
Even coriander.
Even coriander, they don't touch.
You don't tell.
మెంతులు పేపర్
Coriander, they don't. For sacrifice is a mustard, most probably. And the cucurbit they sacrifice. And sometimes cowpea. Mung, we didn't talk about those 2 crops. That is, they can sow in this crop also. But they do most of the time in the first rainy season crops in block cotton soil. Block soil, they mung and your wood. August, October, Dasara అయిపోయిన తర్వాత.
After Dasara,
Start the
Vijayadashmi
sowing
hai na?
just the day after Dashera.
Okay.
Immediately. They'll make puja, all the implements of agriculture. There's a plow and cows and arrow, crowbar and all the tools. Somp also you can somp. The somp also here and there just do it. Yeah, coconut shells and molds and the paper.
like a paper mache.
Paste of paper mache with the fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is one of the very bitter. You cannot even eat. Methi ka beans रहता है ना वो very bitter.
Newspaper.
The newspaper and the turmeric and they mix and they use this one coat of these things, a very long lost
You have to grind it,
baskets, and no pest will come inside that fast. Almost all, whatever the crop I get, I will first seed then eat. Without seed storage you cannot consume. That's the ethical part of the seed saving. But the red soil you can keep more organic matter, may not change color, but you can brownish, you can make it with your introduction of organic matter.
Yes. It got changed.
Yeah, changing. Porous is it? It holding capacity, the dew holding capacity and excess water retention areas. Red soil is much porous, more sand, less organic matter, and the true crops doesn't grow there because they need more moisture. Compost, ash is one of the very good in tropical countries. More than if you poop, take a handful of ash, and it will suck within minutes, not even seconds, not even minutes. That's what our all ancestors, our old the generation, they used to all your seed saving in the only ash.
Things in the
Antifungal
ash, pest
seed
won't
saving. Pest won't come. Take the less infested seed. Anything there? That is the pigeon pea is infested there. 1 or 2 chilies and garlic if it's better. You can put and grind it and eat it directly. It will stay for 1-2 months. The powder you can use it. You go anywhere with the roti, they can eat it there.
All the seeds are broadcasted.
Broadcasted, some of them the straight lines. Both systems.
This is
Tiny one is a broadcasted. The little bigger one is the rose.
Same patch.
3 rows of sorghum, 1 row of pigeon pea. In red soil, chickpea cannot be grown. Red soil is a pigeon pea. Cross lines are cowpea and dolichos. Both are leguminous.
Enriching the soil, fodder for the cattle, and
Food for people.
Avara is the anulu.
It actually grows on the
ఇది పుండి
Gongura is the
ఇవి కొర్రలు
yeah.
ఈ సామలు
There's
ఇవి
a
పచ్చజొన్న
but
పచ్చజొన్నలో
still I think
ఇవి
with
ఇన్ని
experience they
రకాలు
managed
వచ్చినాయి
not to
ఇప్పుడు
make it
దీనికి
too
కొంటే
random.
సజ్జ
Your fall millet.
Traditional ones, they have to have each
To
other
that
to
combination is required. Otherwise they don't.
బాజ్రా
1 acre of this mixed cropping, how much will it deliver?
ఇక్కడదే
Cropwise,
పచ్చజొన్న
totality is
ఈడికే.
more.
ఈడికే ఇక్కడ సజ్జ
Crop is a less.
Each harvest time is different, so you need not worry that the other crop would come.
ఈడికి
You had 3 rows of sorghum, but then she went across with a different seed.
ఏం పెడతారు?
Say it doesn't matter.
పెడతా
No, because the harvesting times are different. They'll come out well.
అంతే
The white sorghum. But every 2 rows, if pearl millet, the bajra, after 2 rows they are sowing 2 kinds of pigeon pea.
We only have 1 acre.
Yeah.
1 acre we have to all eat. Our cattle have to eat for the whole year. That's how they make several fields with different things.
I mean,
ఇలా
instead of
ఆ
drawing
జనుములు
horizontal line, you draw
సజ్జల
vertical line and put this, then what happens?
Nothing will happen. It doesn't grow well. That's all.
Sowing white sesame. Yeah. And next I think she'll go for the black.
ఇవి ఇవి
This is black sesame. This is white sesame. So she has planted 14 different crops in this 1 acre. They can go up to 18 crops.
Sowing happen at the same time or different time?
Same time. See, you started with Rohini here, and then when Mrigasira came, rest of the thing was done. And then every 15 days they went for a different. Yeah.
అయితే లాస్ట్ పుషాల దాకా
Push.
Many of you know Karthi is one of the very
Pushyam.
strong timeline they
మంచిగా
have.
నా
She says in case if you there is no failure monsoon season, out of she planted 14.
Full 10, but
Minimum they get like 6 to 8 crops. That is ensured, but not with high yield, good yield. But they will get the seed. That is the ensured is the rainfall.
Bajra, ragi, this white sesame, the black sesame, they will get.
Drought mitigate mechanism. The seeds, the planting itself, it will tells you what minimize the loss of your crop.
So when the rains are not good, they have enough for them to eat. But when the rain is good, they can easily sell to others.
The gist of the whole discussion, what you try to understand is what are the crops, the varieties she has been sown. That is not 18 varieties, but not at a time.
Correct.
That place is only she planted in this area. Okay, sorghum and your cowpea and your avarai, pigeon pea. So these 4 crops only. You don't think the 18 in that patch. Only in that patch, only 4 varieties. First the cowpea they harvest. Okay. Second is your sorghum they harvest. Third they harvest is your avarai, and then your pigeon pea. That's it.
So you make different patches.
Yeah, right. Different patches, different combinations.
So each patch 4 to 5.
4 to 5 average. Including everything is in that 1 acre land is 14 to 18 varieties.
See, at harvesting time, they also go to work on some other's field as laborer. And on the way, so whenever they go to their own this one, harvest whatever crop is ready, and then they take it home.
8 days, she said, she works outside. 8 days they work in their field to harvest something, and then 8 days they go somewhere else, and then come back because they have planted 15 days apart.
This is your mustard, just broadcast randomly. Yellow flowers. This is the first flower. It will come and it will attract a lot of yellow flowers, a lot of pest. This is also yellow flowers starting. This is a thorny. The leaf is thorny. Sunflower. Oil seed. This is an expensive oil after olive oil. Okay, your linseed. So cross. This is all straight, and this mustard is very randomly just they scattered like this. Okay. So even sorghum also just they broadcasted, not rows and need not to be follow that. So the most of these seeds are ready for the already one sorghum already the panicle is coming out. So that will be the birds easily they will right time for when the sorghum comes, the panicle comes out, the pest will attack the first layer, this portion, the insects, they will eat them. Preferably they eat, then they'll go to your thing. This is the butterflies are many because of they're trying to lay the eggs on it. Did you notice? Yeah. The butterflies are there already. They started on they need a very comfortable leaf. Most of them they'll go to the mustard leaf. Mustard leaf is the biggest leaf entire in this cropping pattern. They're more comfortable to lay the eggs on these leaves. The smaller leaf they never prefer. Cannot see other blue flowers they don't like. After laying legs on here, they slow and they start your Helicoverpa. Caterpillar is a famous. If we don't know about caterpillar, I think we are in trouble because that is the only insect damaged 90% of crops in India in tropical agriculture. Cotton is the host of those. Cotton balls they eat it. Bollworm. You will get seeds here, not the leaves. Yeah. Some of them sacrifice. Somebody has to sacrifice something. That is the concept. Rows of safflower.
Yes.
Can you see clearly? Yes. If you go that side, you will find your linseed. This flower and this flower. These are 2 rows. This cross and this line and this line. Each 2 lines they will put the cross crisscross lines with the different leguminous crops. 2 leguminous crops: lentil and linseed, oilseed and the pulses. So did you see the effect of the western? If you have a plants like that in the farm, did you see they are not able to grow there? Did you see anybody notice that? The shade of the tree in the east and there's a lot of shade doesn't like the crop very sensitive. They need more light. That's why the crop is not doing very well. All crops, all vegetables and annual crops, they need more sunlight. That's a lesson we have to learn from. What plant it is?
Mustard.
What is here? You can see the aphids.
So how do you treat it?
Yeah, it will go. It will go. And their predator is there to take care of that. They need food now. They will come. Safflower, there is a aphids. Can you see here? Black aphid under leaf, very thorny. Carefully.
It's a pest, no?
There is only sap will take, but not much damage. Okay.
This won't damage, no?
You
Because
don't
on
damage
one
much.
tree, so the whole tree was infested.
No, invested, but your prey mantis will take care of that. And lizard will come there. They have their own chain of web. So here the pattern, the chickpea. Here the chickpea is totally different. Here the main crop is your sorghum. Maize take out from our.
So is this the yellow sorghum?
Huh? No, winter no yellow. Yellow is only rain fed in the rainy season. In the winter this is a white. Any local is a unevenness. Even and very equally that's a hybrid. Diversity in the different only sorghum and the safflower. Again east west. Are you able to see yesterday's discussion?
3 rows of sorghum, 2 rows of
Yeah.
Safflower.
East west orientation. This is a legume again. Your peas already you can see. You can eat, you will enjoy.
Green peas.
Green peas is a good. They will go to the vegetable and the rest of the residues of go to the cow. The leguminous they need protein. Okay. Here the cropping pattern has changed. Did you notice? Sorghum and linseed. Every 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Why would they do that? Each one is different.
Yeah, there's a seed they want and the soil and the time and based on the needs different. Every family, these are 24 people are there. Their thinking and their needs are different from already 3 people needs you might have noticed and labor. And every time they have to weeding. There are how many people in the family to do that labor? I don't know. So based on their resources, manageability, these are all matters. Pigeon pea in this not. In this jowar is a pigeon pea is only rain fed in that crop. Because all these are 3 months crop. No local, non-BT is not available. All BT. I had to struggle for 10 years to get the local cotton.
This inside the cotton, this is the seed.
Yeah.
But I thought BT cotton thing is that it doesn't give seed for the next season.
No. Seed is there.
It gives.
That is the oil you are eating every day in the hotel. Permaculture, if you go eat in outside, that's the oil which is getting the BT oil only, BT cotton oil. Feeding for the cattle, all the Goshala people, they are feeding the BT. Those who are talking about the anti-BT, they are feeding their cattle with the BT cotton pulp, the cakes. They'll crush the oil, they take out oil and they'll using the cake to the cattle. Then no, the resistance got. That's what I'm not talking about. Even the botanical neem pesticide, that pesticide is more dangerous than this pesticide sometimes. It will get resistant to even neem also if you use continuously as a pesticide. Little bit bitterness, that's all. But don't use it once if you convert it to only that is the solution. I think you'll be trouble. The tree is there up to here. The crop is not doing very well. This you can see the color. Kajal. Kajal
directly.
Directly. Otherwise, if anybody has a knife, any iron, just you cut it. This juice makes black. Once the moment if you iron touch it, it will become a black. They'll collect it and keep it in one bottle. Use it for 10 years. Your goats are this is a major fodder. They like it. This is your wheat. the cropping pattern is different here. This is your sorghum and safflower and wheat. This is a lathyrus. Peas are different. It's a very good leguminous plant and very tasty. Directly you can. Dark blue. This somehow already they made a hole, the insects. They laid eggs here and nicely they are made some holes here and the life cycle is completed here only. It doesn't want to go another crop. Boundary she used the lathyrus and the chickpea and the yellow flower is sunflower. You are seeing sunflower on the boundary. It's a very good attractor and is a cross pollination. Flower of your safflower.
Look at this guy.
Look at the pattern, how beautiful it is. Any insects, there are a lot of, that is a caterpillar I was talking about.
The green.
There's a helicoverpa.
Helicoverpa.
It is damaging nicely. Now the cycle is complete now. After they started eating them, after the going by the time is the bird eating time, the cycle is complete. They are now safe. Even in cropping pattern based on their needs and their capacities and their visits and their family members and their food habits and their lots of things. What they do is if suppose this is the sorghum, they will uproot this. They will take it out for they will take this for fodder because it doesn't give any seed. So they know they will thin it by uprooting and giving to the fodder to the cattle. So they will allow, which is very healthy, they will allow these two, but they never allow this. They will, while they are weeding, they will thin it and take it by the fodder because the two plants they do very well. So any fungus comes, you can see the sorghum. They will uproot and give it to the fodder. Here this plants you have seen only one. Did you notice? When they weeding time, this is a weeding grass. While they are doing, they close these cracks also.
Okay.
Otherwise, they'll take away all the moisture from the soil.
So it happens naturally.
Yeah, natural. It's a good soil. An indicator of good soil. Only deep soils can give a crack. Not all soils.
Right.
Dead soils you won't find. Only the deep soils and the black cotton soils you will find. No, you can see the plant is different. Their status is the pattern is different. Pod is different. Seed is different. What is the confusion?
ఇప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ రానలేదు చూడు మందులు పోసి ఇప్పుడు అయితే 3 మందులు కొట్టిడు మంది చేనికి
Wheat.
ఇది బొన్నడు కట్ల తిక్కమ్మది